Hi everyone. In this video I will demonstrate how to get your avatar to sit down. If you right-click the sofa, or any object actually, you will see the circle which came up when I clicked on the sofa. All of the options may not be white or allowable, but maybe like the pay section here that we don't have the option of using. If you right-click on the sofa then click on Sit Here, you will actually sit on the sofa or the object you have chosen. Once you're sitting, if you go to your little box with the arrows, you see the option to stand now. If you click stand, your avatar will just stand up. You can also click on the ground, the rug. Not all of the places are actually meant to sit on, so you may not sit correctly. Like my avatar, it looks like her legs are in the floor. Again, just click stand to stand back up. There are other options in the circles, as you can see when you click on something. This can be covered at a later time. When you are finished practicing sitting, please move outside and to the next whiteboard and click to start the video.